Oh boy. Oh, I've been waiting for this day to come. Alright, now, volume is length times width times height. Now, you're in 5th grade. You were supposed to master multiplication before getting here. Alright? Now, some of you are going to be like, oh, I can do multiplication. Oh, I got this. Yes, you got it if the numbers are simple, like, 3 times 4 times 5. Okay, so V is equal to 3 times 4 times 5. Oh, well, 3 times 4, if you know your math facts, V is equal to 12. 12 times 5. Oh, well, Mom and Dad taught me to multiply like this and go 12 times 5. That's 10. Carry the 1. 60. Yeah, I'm done. Yay, I got the right answer. Okay. Now this is all good until the numbers start getting bigger and you're going to make mistakes. So, it's the day that you've been waiting for. Now I've been doing some multiplication called lattice. Alright, now I'm going to do examples of Mom and Dad and against lattice. So like I said, volume is length times width times height. You're going to be multiplying 3 sets of numbers together. And these numbers aren't always going to be single-digit numbers. You're going to have to step your game up. You're going to have to know your multiplication facts. So, here it goes. Alright, so, if I have V is equal to 11m times 4m times 7m. Now, some of you are like, oh, man, that's easy. That's not so bad. Well, I don't know. That just came out of my head. So, here we go. All right, now, we're going to make this go away, and we're going to work with this. So, all right, what do we got? Now, remember, you have an m here and an m here, and m times m gives me what? Oh, yes, right. So, 11 times 4 is 44, gives me 44m to the itty-bitty 2. 44m times the 44m to the itty-bitty 2 times 7m. Oh, well, this one ain't so bad. I should have gave you a harder one than this. So, we'll go Mom and Dad way. 44 times 7. All right, that's 28. Carry the 2. 28 plus 2 is 30. So that gives me 308 m to the what? That's right, the itty-bitty 3. Okay, itty-bitty 3. Because 2m and 1m, how many m's did we have in the beginning? 3. How many are we going to have in the end? To the itty-bitty 3. Okay, this wasn't so bad. Now, I'm going to step it up. Those of you that have me in class are all like, Mr. Nethercott, turn up the heat. Come on, bring it. Okay, here we go. Now, I'm not going to, torch you and give you some crazy numbers, but I am going to turn up the heat. So here we go. Now, it was nice. I left the first 2 numbers the same, so you shouldn't cry at this point. You're like, hey, 11m times 4m gives me 44m to the itty-bitty 2 times 15m. Okay, now, now you got 2 digits by 2 digits. So I'm going to scoot over here and I'm going to say 44 times 15. 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. That ends up being 22. Put a 0 as a placeholder, dead guy. And then 1 times 44 gives me 44. Add it. 0, 6, 6. M to the itty-bitty 3. Well, that's not so bad. Alright, now here comes lattice. Just, I don't know, here we go. So, I'm going to put a 44 here. I'm going to draw a box underneath it. This 4 has a lane, that 4 has a lane. Now I'm going to draw another box, and I'm going to put 15 right here. 1 has a lane, 5 has a lane. Corner, corner, down. Corner, corner, down. Corner, corner, down. Oh, I started in the very bottom right and came corner, corner, down. 1 times anything is that anything. So 1 times 4 is 4. So I'm going to say 0, 4. Because there's nobody in the tens place. Okay, 1 times 4. 0, 4. Nobody in the tens place. 20. Oh, hey. Doesn't that kind of look like a 20? Yes. Oh, hey, another 20. Okay, no problem. And then I tell everybody, what time is it? It's friend time. Okay. Oh, this is a 0 and he has nobody else to play with, so he's just playing 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 0, 4, and 2 is another 6. So here we go, 6, 6, 0. Oh. Well, Mr. Nethercott, it's the same answer as the other one. Yes, you're right. But I don't have to worry about forgetting about a placeholder. Okay? So, this isn't so bad. But like I told you, I wasn't going to scorch you. But now I'm going to turn up the heat again. Haha. I'm back. And I told you I was going to turn up the heat again. Alright, so now I got 28IN multiplied against 24IN and a 30IN. Because once again, I warned you, I said these numbers are not always going to stay itty bitty. Okay? And we got to, I mean, it's just the way of the world, folks. It can't always be simple. So, here we go. We're going to have our 28 times 24. Uh-oh. It's okay. Okay, that was interesting. My door just opened. Alright, so 28 times 24. 4 times 8 is 32. Carry the 3. 2 times 4 is 8. 8. 9, 10, 11. Put down a placeholder 0, dead guy. And then 2 times 8 is 16. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Add. That gives me 2, 7, 672. Now, let me try it with the lattice way. And I'm going to go 28. 2 gets a lane, 8 gets a lane. 24. 2 gets a lane, 4 gets a lane. Corner, corner, down. Corner, corner, down. Corner, corner, down. 8 times 2 is 16. 2 times 2 is 0, 4. And that's a 32. And that's a 08. What time is it? It is friend time. This 2 is all by itself. It is lonely. Oh, what do we have here? 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. I put down a 7. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Oh, 672. 672. Yes. Now you're probably telling yourself, well, Mr. Nethercott, it's really not that different. Yeah, it is. It is different because here you can clearly see if you make a multiplication mistake. Because you can see 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 2, 0, 4. 4 times 8, 32. 2 times 4, 0, 8. So you can clearly see if you make a mistake. But wait, there's more. Alright, so then, now we're going to take our 672 and we're going to multiply it against our 30. That was nice this time. Alright, so 0 times anything is 0. And then you got to remember to put down a 0 placeholder. So I'll make it my dead guy. And then 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry the 2. 18, 20. 0, 6, 1, 0, 2. 1, 2, 3, comma. Okay. Not bad. This is mom and dad's way, the old school way, which I grew up with. So it doesn't matter as long as we get the same right answer. All right, so now I want to take my 672. 6 gets a lane, 7 gets a lane, 2 gets a lane. Draw my box. Hey, what do you see? Just like I said, 6 has a lane, 7 has a lane, 2 has a lane. Now what am I going up against? 30. So 3 has a lane and 0 has a lane. Now what's my next thing? Oh, corner, corner, down. Okay, so I start right here. Corner, corner, down, corner, corner, down, corner, corner, down, corner, corner, down. Oh, that's a 0, 6. That's a 21. That's a 18. 0 times anything is 0. Wah, wah, wah. What time is it? It's friend time. All right, this 0 right here has no friends. It's lonely. Okay, so there's my 0. This has a 6 and 2 zeros, so there's my 6. 0, 1, okay. And then 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry the 1. Huh. Awesome. 2, 0, 1, 6, 0. 1, 2, 3, comma. Oh. This gets better and better when you add more and more numbers to multiply against. 3 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 4. When we start multiplying higher and higher numbers, you're going to have to look at more and more numbers up here that you're going to have to keep track of. And you're going to have to remember the space holder, the placeholder, the dead guy. All right? So eventually you're going to see why I do the things I do. All right? But long story short, we're to the part I've been waiting for. Volume is length times width times height. So these numbers ain't going to be small anymore, boys and girls. We're starting to turn up the heat. All right? And so as long as you know your multiplication facts, you should be solid. See you later.